was one noisy corporate expo. Students were assigned the task to design an entire nation and its culture. Needless to say, students went berserk with drums, music and the likes. Every stall in the expo had its own unique model showcasing the landscape of the country besides the culture.
They have divided us into 13 continents. Each class has got one continent. They have got different climatic conditions, everything, and they have to make an industry. They've got 75,000 crores as a capital, and they have to divide, make new, how you can make impossible thing as possible. Make different industries, make anything. Like for our stall is named as a Wraith, because it's mainly done by deserted place. So we have done many different kinds of sports. Tourist attraction is also there. So basically each class has to get votes from all the people. So how can they attract much?
Some of the students even created special food from their planet with accompanying drinks. Quite a few colorful costumes dominated the auditorium. Students carved the topography of a particular country besides showcasing the culture and commerce of the said nation.
We have our country's name is Aurum. We have named it Aurum because when you see it in the aerial view of our country, it looks like gold, and the scientific name of Aurum is gold is Aurum, and the tagline is land of glittering sand because the sand glows in that. And the city which have designed it in falcon shape, which is our national bird, and it has been the roads and everything infrastructure, it has been designed in circle shape, and the middle part of it is education, that is school, hospital, everything comes in that circle.
All in all, this was a good excuse for the students to get creative while learning to focus on one topic on hand. If they got a bit carried away with the cultural aspect, it is just something we have to deal with. Priya Jain, News 9, Bengaluru.
It's just a matter